Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Okay, day 19 is the sweetest, cutest little sunflower drawstring backpack, right? I love this. Alicia Creates, I believe, is the name of the designer, and I really love everything about this bag. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm always a little leery of making crochet bags. I feel like they tend to be very stretchy, and that always just puts me off a little bit and makes me worry that I've put in a lot of work to have something that's going to stretch out. I would strongly recommend using a yarn that's as least stretchy as possible, such as like cotton. So I'm kind of curious to see if she makes a recommendation for yarn type. However, all of that being said, I love this bag. I really love the colors she picked. I don't think I would have been creative enough to put teal with the sunflower colors, but it really, really works well. It's very boho style, very cute. So let's take a look at some other pictures and maybe some other colors. So this one is a lighter blue, and but still really, really cute. I'm wondering here about this drawstring. It looks like it comes up nice and tight, and I'm wondering if this drawstring is the same as the straps. And if that is the case, that's a really clever idea because it's going to keep that pulled nice and tight while you're wearing it on your back. So here are some other tester. Oh, these were the pattern testers. So these are the people who tested the pattern, and I love all the creative ideas here for these colors. They're just so cute to me. So let's look at some more. Yeah, really, really nice. Nice work, everybody. Oops, sorry about that. These are her copyright and how to access your PDF directions. So it looks like this person lined the bag. That's really nice too. Alright, so this pattern is available for $8.54. Let's see if we can get a little more of a description to find out the difficulty rating here. It is written in US English terms, so that's nice, and does talk about the fabric lining. It is optional. She's used 4-weight cotton yarn. Bag dimensions, it looks like the length is about 15 inches and the width is about 14.5 inches, so almost a square. But I don't see... Let's keep in mind the pattern level and if it matches your current skill level. What does she say for skill level, though? That's my question. It does say that you should know the following stitches for this pattern: chain, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and treble crochet. None of those are very difficult for most, I would say, the average crocheter. Okay, so it looks like it's got some pretty good reviews. This person says, amazing. I made it with the wrong kind of yarn for the first one, but it works amazingly. Nice thing is I don't have to weave in the strings. I can just thread them into the inside and the lining hides it. That is a nice thing for sure. This person says the pattern was super easy to follow and the end product was beautiful. This is my new favorite backpack. This one says, great pattern. My 12-year-old daughter finished her bag and it turned out amazing. So that's really nice to hear. And here is a photo of Stephanie Ann's. This is her backpack and how it turned out. So that was really, really cute. And how brave was she to go with black? Because if you have ever crocheted with black, you might never go back because it is tricky to crochet with black yarn. right, everybody, please let me know in the comments below what you think of this adorable pattern. I know what I think of it. I really like it a lot. Until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great day. All right, bye-bye.